Been a while, you lot. We've been so busy lately, I just literally ain't had a chance to upload anything, but behind the scenes, let me tell you, been really busy. Got loads of jobs to video and showcase that we've been working on over the summer. So yeah, let's start the ball rolling with this one. So we're down here in Eltham in southeast London. So we started this, took around about 7 days for the lads to restore this property. So it's a 1930s house down here in Eltham in southeast London. So what we've done on this project, customer gave us a call, had the original 1930s brick on the original part of the house, then had this extension done here with a different colour brick to the 1930s style brick. So what we decided to do, gave him some options. So what we did was literally cut out all of the old mortar on the original part of the house. He did have the pointing done on the extension in sand and cement, so I just said to him, cut all that out, let's repoint it in one traditional finish, a lime mortar finish. We'll tint all the bricks and we'll do it in a penny roll finish, and it's totally transformed the look of this house. There is a before video that I did manage to get on this one, so that'll follow on after this. So let me spin the camera around and then I'll give you a little walkthrough and show you everything that we did on this project. The customer's just got some groundwork to do on the driveway, then he's going to put a new plinth and a new step on just to finish it off. So let me spin the camera around and give you a quick walkthrough. Right, so let me give you a walkthrough and show you what we did. So obviously, as you can see, it's all been repointed now in a penny roll finish. Like I say, this brick here was a different colour brick to this section here. So what we did was took all of that cement out of that section there where the builders rebuilt it. So I took all that out, took all of the pointing out, all of this section here, and then we've literally stained it and then repointed it all in a penny roll finish. So yeah, the customer's absolutely thrilled with how this has came out. Totally different house now, as you can see. Next door, the old 1930s brick, it looked like that. So all been repointed in a penny roll finish. Like I say, he's just doing a new driveway and then he'll do some groundwork right the way through there, and then it just goes right round to this section along the corner there now. So the customer's just got some windows to put in. We've also repointed all the creasing tiles up there. Just let me zoom in, see how nice that all looks now, the creasing tiles there, right underneath all of the soffits, right in the hard areas to reach. So yeah, this is just one of many jobs that we've been working on and restored it back to its former glory. So as always, if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much. Right, so we're down here in Eltham this morning. This is another project we're starting. So what we're going to be doing on this project is repointing all the brickwork on the front of the property. We're going to be cutting out the existing pointing on this extension, cutting all of that out, and then repointing all of the brickwork. Going to stain all of this brickwork so all of the brickwork's uniformed all the way through, and then do all of this in a penny roll finish. So that's going to look really smart when it's all uniformed all the way through. A few bricks to cut out and replace here and there, getting rid of all the old cables, fixings, cutting out, replacing all of the damaged bricks. Bit of pebble dash to remove up in this corner here. So a bit of pebble dash to remove up here. So we'll take this bit of pebble dash off, sand this bit of brickwork down, and then literally, as you can see through here, going to uniform all of this brickwork all the way through on this extension. So that's all one uniform colour. So keep your eyes out for this, because this will look totally different when it's all finished. And as always, if you've got any questions, you'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. So keep your eyes out for this one, because this is going to be a big transformation.